Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is other numbers, patterns, and sequences. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. Solve, fill in the missing values. We are given a table in which we have the values of x corresponding to which values of y are written. Let's rewrite the values once again, x and y. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the value of y for 1 is 3, for here it is 7, 13, 21, and we have to find out the next two values. Now if we see the values of y, there is a certain pattern that is being followed. We have to carefully examine. If we see 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21. Now every time, if we see here, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now if I add, say, a plus 10 over here, let's see what we get. 31, and if here plus 2, so it is matching to what we have been following. Now this is 31. Now if I add now plus 12, let's see what happens. 43. So this is again plus 2. Now here we see that a pattern is being created, that every time it is added by plus 2, and see how we reach to the next two terms in the pattern. So 31 and 43 are the next two numbers in the pattern, so we say 31 and 43 are the missing values. This can be seen in option C. For better understanding of the concept, let's look at the next question. Solve, fill in the missing values, and we're given some values of x correspondingly to which we have the values of y. Let's write down x and y. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The value of y is negative 1, negative 2, negative 5, negative 10, and we have to find out the next two values. Now here we see that this has been decreased by 1, so it is decreased by 1. So here it is decreased by 3, isn't it? See, negative 1 when decreased by 1 we get negative 2, negative 2 when decreased by negative 3 we get negative 5. Now negative 5 when decreased by 5, let's see what we get. Decreased by 5, negative 5 minus 5, we get a negative 10. So here we see the common difference is again 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now if we decrease negative 10 by negative 7, the next number would be negative 17. So this is negative 17. This is decreased by 7. So here also we get the common difference of 2. Now the next number would be decreased by 9. So negative 17 when decreased by 9 we get negative 26. So here it is negative 26 decreased by 9, and also the common difference is 2. So the next two numbers in the series would be negative 17 and negative 26, which can be seen in option D. Let's try out the next question. Solve, fill in the missing values. Again some values of x are given, correspondingly the values of y are given. We have to find out the values of y for x and 5 and x as 6. Let's write down x and y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3, 9, 16, 24. Let's see what's happening here. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. Now here the common difference is of 1 every time. So that means to get the next number in the series, I will have to add 9 to 24. 24 plus 9 is 33. So again, common difference is 1. Now to get the next number, I have to add 10 to 33 to get the next number. So plus 10 makes it 43. Again, the common difference is 1. Therefore, the missing values are 33 and 43, which can be seen in option B. I hope finding other number patterns and sequences is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.